Hey Warriors, Ms. Colby here. And as you've probably figured out by now, this month's digital safety drill is about Snapchat, specifically Snap Maps. Let's take a look at the scenario.
Let's say you use the location tracker on Snapchat to let people know where you are. Why do people do this? What are the dangers? Let's discuss the pros and cons.
Great questions. Why don't you all pause right here and discuss amongst yourselves what the pros and cons of Snap Maps are. I'll wait.
Alright, let's look at some of the pros first. For starters, when you're using Snap Maps, it does make it easier to find your friends. Also, if your loved ones or family members use Snapchat, it makes it easier for them to know that you got somewhere safely. Some people will even say it encourages them to go out more and socialize because they can see fun events happening nearby. And other people will say it even helps them get better at directions because when they use it to travel to a friend's house or to shops, it helps you kind of get a sense of the area you're in. Okay, let's also look at some of the cons. If you don't use ghost mode and you friend people outside of your inner circle of friends, you're sharing a lot of personal data that can potentially be used in a harmful way, such as bullying or even stalking. People may also judge you for where you go or how often you go or even whether you go places, and that can take a pretty heavy emotional toll over time. Speaking of emotional tolls, seeing everywhere that your friends go can create feelings of jealousy and anxiety, especially if you feel left out. Ultimately, Snap Maps is a feature that you should think about very carefully and make a conscious choice about it. Don't just leave your health and safety to chance. If you don't think the pros are worth the physical and emotional risk, head over to the app right now and check your settings. Tap on Map in the lower left corner and then Gear button in the upper right to put yourself in ghost mode.
Well, we're all out of time for today. This has been librarian and digital learning coach Ms. Colby with another digital safety drill. I'll see you next month.